Hi everyone, Cheryl here from Love and Light Yoga, and thank you for joining me this morning for this quick 10-minute Vinyasa flow. So this will all be done from standing, and it is a really good practice for getting a little bit of blood, a little bit of energy moving through the body, and a nice full body stretch. So you won't need anything for this, just yourself and your mat, and whenever you are ready, let's begin. Okay everyone, so let's get started by meeting at the top of our mats today. Stand with feet hip distance apart, arms down by the sides, palms facing forwards, and just gently close the eyes. And focus on taking a few deep breaths here with deep inhales in through the nose. And long releasing exhales through the nose or the mouth, just whichever feels best. And just bringing yourself into this moment of stillness. This moment where you can begin to connect in with yourself. Notice how you're feeling. Notice what you might need from today's practice. And just take a few more deep breaths here. Try to make every inhale a little bit longer than the one before. And every exhale, a little bit longer. And then after your next full exhale, go ahead and open up the eyes. And as we inhale, we're going to reach both hands all the way up to the sky, draw the palms together at the top, and exhale, hands to heart center. Nice, and again we take a nice big inhale, reaching the hands a little bit higher this time, elongating through the upper body. Exhale, hands through center. Third time, inhale to reach it up, look up in between the fingertips here. And this time as we exhale, bring the hands all the way down towards the floor, take a bend through the knees and meet in a forward fold. So let everything from your hips up feel completely relaxed. Maybe take hold of opposite elbows and find a little bit of a sway side to side. We might straighten out through one knee at a time. Just bringing a little bit of a stretch through the back of the body, decompressing the spine. And then bring yourself back to center, back to stillness. Let go of the elbows and inhale to find a halfway lift. So straighten out the legs and bring the palms of the hands onto the shins or the thighs. Take another inhale and exhale to forward fold. As we inhale, we're going to press into the feet, reach it up, take the fingertips up to the sky, and exhale, hands to heart center. Nice. Inhale, reach the hands up. Exhale, hands through center, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, press to the feet all the way back up, fingertips reaching up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Nice. Let's do one more time. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, bend the knees, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, press to the feet, reach it up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Nice, we'll do that again, adding on a little bit this time. So as we inhale, reach it up. Exhale, bend the knees, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. This time we plant the hands and we're going to step back into our plank. If we need to drop the knees to the floor, we can. Otherwise, the knees are lifted and the back is flat. Take an inhale here. And then as we exhale, we're going to slowly bend the elbows, lower the chest all the way to the floor. Untuck the toes and inhale into your cobra. So press into those hands, keep the elbows hugging inwards, feel that nice back bend. Hold it here for one more breath. And then exhale, lower the chest back to the floor. Tuck the toes under and see if we can press back into our plank. Inhale here and exhale, press the hips back, downward facing dog. Nice. In our downward facing dog, we might find a little bit of movement by pedaling out through the feet. Just bending one knee at a time, stretching the hamstrings. And then come back to stillness. Take 3 deep breaths in your downward facing dog. Keep pressing the hands into the floor. Keep pressing the chest back towards the thighs. No tension through the neck. And then after your third exhale, go ahead and bend the knees, look forward between the hands and step or hop all the way into your forward fold at the top of your mat. Inhale, reach the hands up and exhale, hands to heart center. Nice, let's do that again. So inhale, reach it up, exhale, forward fold. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold, plant the hands, step back to plank. Inhale here, exhale, slowly lower down. Inhale into your cobra or your upward facing dog. Take a full round of breath here. And then on your next exhale, tuck the toes, press it back, downward facing dog. Take 3 deep breaths here. Stay strong through those arms, keep reaching the heels towards the back of the mat. After your third breath, deep bend through the knees, look towards the hands and step everything forwards into your forward fold. Inhale, reach the hands up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Nice, let's go one more time, adding on just a little bit more this time. Inhale, reach the hands up. Exhale, dive forward, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold, plant the hands, step it back into plank. Take an inhale. Exhale, bend the elbows. And inhale, upward dog or cobra. Take a full breath here. And then on your exhale, press it back, downward facing dog. On your next inhale, we're going to reach the right leg up towards the sky and exhale, step it forward in between the hands, plant the back foot, inhale, reach up, warrior 1. Hold it here. Take 3 deep breaths. Stay strong through the legs, stay strong through the arms. After your third exhale, go ahead and hinge forwards, plant the hands back to the floor and step back into your downward facing dog. On your inhale, lift the left leg up, bend the knee, step it forward in between the hands and inhale, reach the hands up, warrior 1. Holding it here. Nice deep bend through that front knee. Take 3 deep breaths. Keep reaching the fingertips up. Keep that bend in the front knee. After your third breath, to release, exhale, send the hands down, plant them onto the mat and step the left foot back. Downward facing dog. Take 1 more big inhale here and a full exhale. Look up towards the hands, take a bend through the knees and step or hop all the way to the top of your mat, forward fold. Inhale, press into the feet, reach it up and exhale, hands to heart center. Take 1 full breath here and then drop the hands back down by your sides, let the palms face out and close the eyes. And bring your awareness inwards here. Bring your awareness back onto your breath. Begin to slow down your breath. In turn, feeling your heart rate also slow down. Meeting yourself back where we started, back in this place of stillness. And take these last few moments to once again check in with yourself, see how you're feeling. And then whenever you're ready, gently opening back up through the eyes, bringing your awareness back into the room. And thank you so much for practicing with me this morning. I hope you are feeling good. If you want to maybe move into a relaxation or maybe a different stretch, I will link a video up here for you to check out. But if you have to go about the rest of your day, then thank you for joining me. Have a fantastic day and namaste.